you believe it? Plankton, the bowling ball event is finally here.
The Colonel!
What do you mean, Colonel? This is a big deal. Everyone in Bikini Bottom is talking about it.
The Colonel!
Oh, come on. Don't be such a sore bus. You should join in on the fun, too.
The Colonel!
Ugh, why do I even bother with you? You're always so negative and never want to have any fun.
The Colonel!
Fine, I'll just go by myself then. I don't need your negativity bringing me down. Plus, Mr. Krabs said he'd give me a raise if I win the tournament.
The Colonel!
Oh, yeah. Well, at least my boss appreciates me. Doesn't constantly try to steal the secret formula from me like someone else we know.
The Colonel!
Oh, wow! What an insightful response. How original of you to say, Colonel, for the millionth time today.
Eco!
Yes, Plankton. That's all you ever say. It's like your catchphrase or something. Maybe if you actually had some friends or hobbies besides trying to take over the world, you wouldn't be so miserable all the time.
E.
Hey guys, what are we talking about?
The bowling ball event. Are you joining us, Squidward?
No thanks, Spongebrain. Bowling isn't really my thing.
The Colonel!
Oh, for the love of Neptune, can you just shut up already?
Eco!
Looks like someone's having a rough day. Maybe you should take some anger management classes or something.
The Colonel!
Oh, man! This is too good. I never thought I'd see the day where Squidward and I are on the same side against you, Plankton.
E. Colonel?
Alright, SpongeBob, let's go practice our bowling skills. We'll leave Mystery Colonel here to wallow in his own misery.
Eco!